Hi, it's Lee here. I hope you're well. I hope you all had a good summer. I pretty much had most of August off. We had a really busy couple of years, and we just decided to take a little bit of extra time off. So I was in Spain for nearly 4 weeks. But I did do some work over there. I did do a few Zoom calls and talk to a few clients. So it wasn't all holiday, so I was doing a little bit of work. But I hope you're all well, wherever you got up to, and had a good summer. But I'm back now. We are fully on it. We have got huge amounts of clients reviews to do before the end of the year, and we're really back in the saddle, talking to clients and hopefully helping them, make better decisions with their money. What is of concern and what I really wanted to talk about is where we are with the current cost of living crisis. I think there's been a lot of focus about energy prices and the increase to energy prices, but I absolutely believe the thing that's not being discussed is the increases to mortgage rates. And we've pretty much seen rates double since the start of the year. And I think as people are coming to the end of their deals, they're getting quite nasty shocks when they're looking at the rates that are available. So we're really trying to get a hold of this and help clients with this. I've got some numbers to give you a bit of an example. For example, 2 years ago, if you'd have taken out a 25-year mortgage at a rate, say around about 1.5%, you'd be paying around about £400 a month. Now, the equivalent rate is around 3.5%, and that's generally available for 2 and 5 year rates. And you'd be looking to pay an additional £86 a month. If it's a 200,000 mortgage, £172 a month, and £258 a month if it's a 300,000 mortgage. Now, the Bank of England meeting in a couple of weeks' time, but already we had notifications from 4 lenders last week that rates are going up. We're seeing rates increase independently of the Bank of England rate. If that rate continues to rise, which I'm pretty certain that that's going to happen in the short term, if you're looking to do a remortgage and rather than getting a rate of 3.5%, the rates are now 4.5%, which actually in the whole scheme of things isn't an enormous rate based on historically what rates have been. It's still going to come as a huge shock. So the the 100k mortgage rather than £86 a month increase, it's £165. For your 200,000 mortgage, that goes to £330, and for your 300,000 mortgage, that goes to nearly £500 a month increase. I mean, for some people, on top of the energy rate increases, that's going to be really difficult. So what we're saying to people is really start to look at this early. Start to look at it at least 6 months out, because you can secure deals on your mortgage potentially up to that period of time. What we're also looking to do is give people a little bit of leeway or a little bit of comfort. One of the things you may want to consider doing is maybe extending your mortgage term. Now, obviously, in the long term, this is not something you'd want to do, but maybe extending the mortgage term in the current climate just to try and keep control of your costs might be something to consider. So I would urge you to look at your mortgages. What we're in the process of doing over the next couple of weeks is contacting all of our clients where their deals are ending anytime in the next 6 months, and we're suggesting you review this and look at this now. Almost certainly, we are not going to be in a better place in a month, 2 months, and 3 months' time when it comes to interest rates. Do something about it now. Secure a deal now. Now, you won't be able to change until your existing deal expires, but get something in the bank, get something locked down it's going to allow you to get control of your costs. Now, we're more than happy to help with this. If you're an existing client, we already will be in contact with you to do this, so don't worry. Obviously, feel free to reach out to us early if you want, but if we haven't handled mortgages for you before, I'm more than happy to give you a helping hand and show you what's available. But it's absolutely critical that you get on top of this, because there is only one way that costs are going in the short term. So I say, haven't been on for a while, but this is something I've been discussing with lots of clients recently, and I really felt it was an important message to get out. So whatever you're doing, have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. And remember, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.